May I know about this?
This is actually centrifugal blowers. For means the section blowers, no? For the section and blowing application there we are using that industrial.
Some are centrifugal also.
Yeah, the centrifugal plate.
But
all
these are all centrifugal.
so this is the exhaust line. This is section and this is the exhaust outlet.
Oh.
So the air will be taken.
This is a suction point.
Laser fume extractor system and soldering fume extractor.
Okay.
So we can soldering fumes will be sucked the fume and they can filtered and exhaust will be.
Okay. It can intake anything.
Yeah. Right. The fume particles. They can filter the all fume particles.
And after that, what can we get in this?
That's all filtration system. They have all fumes will be filtered in the chamber.
And in this one, where will be the entry point?
This is actually section inlet and this is outlet.
Inlet and it is
Yeah.
And what are the processes inside?
So this is the impeller only. Again, the motor will be the centrifugal forces will be created.
Inside.
So the air will be sucked and then blowing.
And what is the use of this?
This all multiple uses for the blowing application, section application, the dust collection application. So they where I can use.
Centrifugal pump is used for the simple pumps that are used to make the water go.
Yeah, that is also centrifugal. Centrifugal means is a common name. The centrifugal is as forces actually we are called centrifugal. So the application is a different. This is air handling. That is actually water handling.
Yeah.
So this is actually the paint booth.
Paint booth means?
Paint booth means the painting we can doing the spray painting is there, no? So this is the paint collectors. So excess paint particle.
Paint.
Yeah, it's excess paint.
Where in these holes?
No, hose will be sucking for the paint excess paints we can collect it. And this is a welding fume extractor system. For the welding fumes, we can that the fumes is there. So we can filtration system is there.
These are only for air particles.
Yeah, and fume particles and all. These are all vacuum cleaners. These are industrial vacuum cleaners for the floor cleaning application.
These are mostly used in which industry?
So these are all kind of industrial we can use for the wherever we can dust. Yeah, everywhere we can. These are some cleaners for the CNC machine cleaning के लिए for specially.
Oil sump.
Yeah, oil sump cleaning.
We can refine the oil here.
Yeah, can filtered and we can recycle that oil.
Oh.
This is all dust.
How you recycle? You just remove the dust particles and all the.
Everything the dust collector chamber is there. So all dust will be collected in the chamber.
Okay.
And the excess filtration part oil will be collected and we can repump it. This is all dust collectors for all fine dust particles. Machinery is developing the cutting areas. They are dust. So the all dust collector is there. We can use. This is also the blowers and then mist collector.
Actually, I am from aeronautical industry.
Okay, fine.
So, you can tell me any use of this in aeronautical field?
Actually, we don't know idea for the aeronautical industry. So you are making manufacturers, they have definitely need this. What is the air cutter?
Only for
drying application. Yeah.
For example, we have cut something regarding laser technology or somewhere, and the dust particles.
The dryer. Yeah.
And how much is the speed of the air? Approximately. Compared to the speed of light, what can you say?
As per the pressure and flow, that knife will be work for the air cleaning or drying, whatever. The components will be drying and